Using MozArtS Single and Water Brush Pens, we'll show you how to create beautifully easy watercolor roses. To start off, use your single brush pen to create a small round shape. This will be the rose's center. Next, draw a couple of slightly larger crescents that follow the curve of the central petal. We will be working our way from the inner area of the rose outwards. Now, with your water brush pen, gently drag out the color to give the petals more shape. The brush should be damp but not too wet. To give our rose a realistic feel, we want it to have a concentrated center and then fade out to a lighter shade on the outer petals. The general technique for freeform roses is to draw and then spread the colour, so continue to build up the petals using this technique, drawing them incrementally bigger and spreading out the ink with your water brush pen to achieve larger petals with a natural ombre effect. Follow the curve of the previous petals as you add more and keep them as equally distributed as you can, leaving a small amount of white space in between each petal. After the third tier of petals, that's your first rose done, and it's time to move on to the next one. Simply repeat the same steps as before. Add depth to your rose by going back over a few of the petals and adding another layer of ink to create a darker shade. And if there are any petals which you find too dark, you can lighten them by applying a little more water. Overall though, it's best to keep the water to a minimum to prevent all the ink from running together. Repeat the same steps to create a whole bouquet of beautiful roses. As a finishing touch, add some leaves where there are spaces in between your roses, or wherever you think it'll look good. Use the tip of the brush to create the sharp points of the leaves, and gently flick the brush as you finish the leaf to create a darker tip. And now your beautiful rose bouquet is complete.